One thing people really hate is the expense of making AI anime. They say it's really pricey. It's not really sustainable. There are entire comment threads on my channel of people arguing about this. Well, now AI anime costs $0 to make. Not a free trial, no free credits with a paywall 2 clicks later, actually free. And I've never used the word free on my channel before because it would have been a lie. Most people and platforms clickbait you by saying it's free, but when you sign up, the credits cost money. Or they give you free credits, but there's a monthly subscription to use them. And finally, there's the dreaded, we give you a free account and credits, but there's only enough credits for you to generate maybe a couple images and 2 videos before you get hit with a buy more button. But this platform I'm going to introduce to you is completely free. So you can generate AI anime images and videos with no money at all. And it's called Comfy UI. And all the links to download it is in the description below. But before you go, fair warning, this is not a download it and just type in a prompt thing. And if I let you loose on it right now, it's like you staring at the back of a circuit board and not knowing what any of the buttons do. So let me help you out. But first, why even listen to me? I'm a 10-year filmmaking vet based in Japan turned AI animator. I make AI anime full-time for a living right now, and I work with companies and clients to make some of the most impressive looking AI anime you've ever seen. So let me simplify Comfy UI for you so you can start making AI anime today instead of rage quitting in 10 minutes. So first, there are 3 ways to download and use this free open source program. And the method you choose to download it actually depends heavily on your hardware. And the first one is the easiest. You can download the desktop version from their site, and the whole program is ready to go, nothing to configure. Number 2 is the developer version off of GitHub. This gives you every backup file to edit yourself. It's 100% customizable if you're into that type of control. And the third one is you don't download it at all. You would run it in the cloud through a cloud server like Run Comfy or Comfy Cloud. But this one costs money. Now, before you roll your eyes, hear me out and why you would maybe use this option. When you pay for any common AI tool out there, what you're really paying for is the energy cost to generate the image or video. The program is free, which means your hardware eats that cost. And to run Comfy locally on your computer, you need at least 8 VRAM. Think a GeForce RTX card and at least 50 gigabytes of space just to run the base of everything you would need. So if your computer is from 2016, it's not going to have a good time. So here's the math on the cloud. Instead of paying 20, 40, 60, $100 to these AI companies to generate your images or videos on the slowest setting, Run Comfy will cost you roughly $1 an hour to make as many images or as many videos as you want. There is no limit. Now, $1 to make AI anime, that's as cheap as you're gonna get it. And now that you know the 3 ways to download it, now it's time to expose the workflows you would use on it to make your AI anime. Because without the workflows, it's like you have a nice fancy red car and no engine under the hood to run it. Okay, so this is what you would see logging into Comfy UI for the first time. And right here, you can see starter workflows that you can instantly use to generate videos and images for free. And to break this down simply, I know it looks a little confusing. This is the basic Flux text to image workflow. Now let's break this down even farther. Load checkpoint loads the all-in-one Flux model. It's like the brain, the text reader, and the AI image translator all in one. While the clip text encode boxes hold your positive prompt, what you want, and your negative prompt, what you don't want. Now, you guys are used to seeing that when you're paying for your other AI video models. You had a positive prompt or a negative prompt, or you just type in what you want and you say, don't include this stuff. And the empty latent image part sets your blank canvas to 1024 by 1024 here. Now that's just the size of the image or video that you will be generating. And you can change that in whatever size you want. You can just type in it here. And the K sampler is the engine that actually generates the picture using your prompt and settings like steps and seed. Then the VAE decoder turns the rest into a real image. And if that sounds confusing to you, let me just, in layman's term, you type what you want and what you don't want and the image comes out at the other end. But I took a simple workflow like this and took it up to the next level for my AI anime. I hired not 1, not 2, but 3 Comfy UI experts to teach me how to create custom workflows and styles within Comfy UI. It costs thousands of dollars in 1 month to actually comprehend and learn everything and rebuild the workflows from memory. I needed to know how to troubleshoot all the problems that I was facing, and that comes with learning something new. And because of that, I was able to make simple to complex workflows to solve my AI anime problems of consistency in character and style, two of the biggest problems in AI anime, as you know. And the first workflow here takes an image and transfers the character and background into the lore style I created, remembering the pose and the background of the original reference. And the second workflow replaces the character of your choice into the background of any image, replacing any character that was there, effectively a free Nano Banana, but without the cartoonish Nano Banana thick outline look, what most people generate when they say I'm creating AI anime. Now, as you can see here, it's not totally perfect yet, to be completely honest, but any issues I get comes in the form of generating like hands, mostly feet, things like that. But that's not a real issue, since after generating the image into a video, the models are smart enough, as you can see here, to fix those issues. And if not, one quick Nano Banana prompt can fix most of the issues that arise before the video is prompted itself. And if you want my workflow that I created, it's in the description below. Now, I do charge for it, but that's only because of the massive time and financial investment that I put into it. And from any of the sales that I probably would get, I probably would never recoup that cost. I also will be giving these workflows as a free add-on to my school members and my community, as well as any lures that I built just for being a part of our community. If you didn't know, that school community also has 2 courses, as well as a free ebook and a plethora of people that are all building their own individual AI anime. I even gave out free PixAI subscriptions to all my members just for being a part. Check that out in the link in the description below. But how do you train a style lore for Comfy? Because without it, your character might look cool in one frame, but it will completely change from shot to shot. Well, the truth is, you don't have to. There are hundreds of models trained by people like you and me for free on sites like this, civitai.com. And all you have to do is download them for free and install them into your Comfy UI by placing the model or lore under the right subfolder. And if you have trouble with this, I actually linked the video down below to explain exactly where to submit that so you don't get totally confused. And now it's time for the fun part, free video generation. There are many free video AI generators on Comfy UI that you can use, including Juan, LTX, Cog Video, and a bunch more. But which one should you test or use? Use them all. It's free. Who cares? You don't have to make that decision anymore. You could just line each workflow up and just run it perpetually. In here, you can just find free workflows for each under the workflow section under your Comfy UI program. They're really easy. You just type in whatever video program you want to use, and they have a free workflow you can download. Now, by this part of the video, I know you know that Comfy UI is a free, powerful program that you can use to create AI anime. But I really want you to know that most people teaching AI creation, and especially AI anime, would never actually tell you about this, because Comfy UI doesn't sponsor videos. They don't pay creators to make videos like this because it's a free platform. There's no money to earn. But I'm different. I'm here for the love of the game. And yes, I do sponsored videos, but I generally care about my audience and I want them to get the best advantage that they possibly can. But if you want a simpler way and you just want to type in a prompt and get something on the other end, and you don't care about anything else, and you don't mind paying for a membership, you should click this video where I teach you how to make perfect 90s looking anime with the only AI tool built for anime. See you next time.